Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to hide candles in TradingView. Alright, let's begin. To start, open your chart settings. On TradingView, you'll find the settings icon in the top toolbar, usually shown as a gear. Click it, and a window will appear with several tabs that control your chart's appearance. Now, select the Symbol tab. This section lets you customize how candlesticks are displayed. Here, you'll see options for the body, wicks, and borders of each candle. To fully hide candles, you'll need to disable all of these. First, disable the body. This removes the colored portion that shows the opening and closing prices. Next, disable the wicks, which represent the high and low of each candle. Finally, disable the borders, which outline the candle body. Once you've done this, your chart will be completely free of candlesticks, leaving you with a clean workspace to focus on indicators or trend lines. If you want them back, just re-enable those components in the same settings menu. So that's basically how you can hide candles in TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks.